Sometimes the darkest times in our life give light to a blessing that's meant to come in your future. And it was my kukam, my grandmother. She was the one who took us in to her home in Sweetgrass First Nation by the Battlefords. My kukam was the one who took us under her wing. We boxed up all of our stuff, put everything in the vehicle, and off we went to Sweetgrass. And we lived in her living room on the floor, and my mom slept on the couch. That was our room. During this time, my kukam would take us to cultural events, ceremonies, take us to places where we would learn about what it was like to try live right in a good way. Miupamatsuit, miumeskano, to live a good life, to walk a good path. And she would do this by example. She never had to tell us, she would live it by example. Talking about respect, trying to get along with each other, helping each other, try to be truthful, watch what you say to other people, don't bring down other people, try to uplift other people. And I still remember these teachings to this day. Sitting in her living room, going to ceremonies where sometimes my uncles, my mother's brothers would be the leaders in those ceremonies. Learning from them, listening to them, bowing my head because it's disrespectful in our culture to maintain eye contact. That's why you notice when we come into our appointments, we may not stare at you, but we're listening. It's opposite. When I came into the mainstream and I had to do business and all this stuff, I had to really train myself to look people in the eye. So you may see me at the breakout, I may try to look you in the eye, but my eye might go, look away, okay? It's just autopilot. But it's respect, right? Respect is we take time to understand each other, we hear each other's stories, and we respect each other's cultural differences. Respect at the end of the day. Grade 1, grade 2, I'm living near my kukam, being raised around her. She's taken us all these different places. Grade 3 comes around, and my mother was able to get us in to a little 2-bedroom house, not far away from my grandmother's house, my kukam. In this house, there was 5 of us. In this house here was, my mom's taking this photo, by the way. Around that hallway behind my thumbs up, I don't know why I'm doing it. I still do that to this day in photos, I don't know why, but that's just my thing, I guess. But around that hallway is my room. First day we get in there, my mom says, son, there's your room. You can have that one. I was like, where's Kendra Fairmer? She gonna sleep? She's like, the other room, just around the hallway. I was like, okay. So I'm sitting in there for a while, feeling guilty now. And I said, well, Mom, where are you gonna sleep? And right on the corner of my chair there, the couch I'm leaning on. She's like, it's okay, I'm gonna sleep on that couch. All the way until grade 12, she slept on that couch. Why would she do that for us? Sacrifice. Sometimes to get ahead in life, we have to do temporary sacrifices for our loved ones, for your patients, to help other people. But that energy all comes back to you in the future. It gives you good luck in the future. That's what I was told. My mom sacrificed for the 4 of us right there. Little did we know these sacrifices would pay off for us in the future. As a child, you want to feel loved, you want to feel part of something, you want to have a stable environment. If you're going through constant turmoil, you are going to have that automatic autopilot in your habits in the future. You won't ever be able to calm down, it'll be difficult. And it's more work to go through that change of bringing yourself down, to bring yourself to peace. Sometimes it means you have to forgive people. It's difficult. One of those people I had to forgive was my own father. Those are very difficult conversations. but they were needed in order to move forward. Unburden yourself, so to speak.